Kaying Dorbar Tauan Jong Giant Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC haka arpu pratrik leber kala menjur ya kamang tingka jong usnam arjar arpusan arjar arpendriu kaba duna katway point life arklur ya kini kamang tingka usi emma tombor shiwat ulawan ra haka sengi sedang jong ke Dorbar mang tingka kata haka arpendriu terik leber ka GHADC mentau usnam kalamang banyok lumpisa Arspa saupusan kelur kendai polak sanpusan hajar kendai spa kelur kadba kejing penlut la antat bahkan kot syaka arspa sanpunyo kelur arpulai lak saupusau hajar arspa kelur kaba pen iya kejing duna kaba katway kelur laipu arlak prapupra hajar lai spa kelur.
Rule 11012 and 3 of the Baccaria Autonomous District Official of the Rule 1951 as adopted and amended. Description of detail of demand. General administration had improved 28 lakh 10,000 to rest. Finance and Account Department had to work to 25 lakh 15,000 for rest. Land Revenue and Land Report Department, Land Revenue and Land Report Department, Council report 11 to 24 lakh 82,000. Government grant 21 lakh 16,000. Grant total 11 to 46 lakh 19,000. Land Reserve and Land Settlement Department. Council report 7 crore 6 lakh 46,000. And government grant 3 crore 54 lakh 4,700. Grant total 10 crore 60 lakh 51,000. Only. On the recommendation of the Chief Executive Member, General Solomon District Council, I will to move an amount not exceeding to rupees 30 crore 28 lakh 10,200 only. Being respect to the member in charge of the accepted service in course of payments within the year ending at March 2026 for administration of Grand Lagoon General Administration Department BPA.
I declare that the sum of rupees 13 crore 28 lakh 10,200 rupees only under the number 1, and that is General Administration Department is unanimously passed by the House. Move to number 2, and that is the Finance and Account Department. Now I call Finance and Account Department.
On the recommendation of the Chief Executive Member, I beg to move an amount of exceeding rupees 31 crore 75 lakh 50,400 only. Be granted to the members in charge to be paid that is full of payment during the year ending at 1st March 2026 for administration of Grant Number 2, Finance and Account Department.
And you move the passing.
Mr. Mansar, on the recommendation of the Chief Executive Member, General Solomon District Council, I beg to move an amount not exceeding rupees 31 crore 75 lakh 15,400 only, being granted to the member in charge. The presented study the course of payment during the year ending at 1st March 2026 for administration of Grant Number 2, Finance and Account Department BPA.
I declare that the sum of rupees 31 crore 25 lakh 15,400 only under the Grant Number 2, and that is the Finance and Account Department is unanimously passed by the House. In charge of the December to move to the party, that is land revenue and land reform department.